Alright, I did some mods to the bracket and everything seems to be working, so I thought I'd take a quick video just to show how everything's doing. I made a couple mods. One was for the access to the air bleed. Pretty simple little notch. I had to make another notch over here at the gusset to allow clearance for the fast idle when it's in the full retard position. And finally, made a quick hole in the top here for throttle return spring. So I'll set this down and you can watch it go through its motions. Everything works the way it should. Interestingly, the cruise control cable also moves, but there isn't any tension on it, so it should function just the way it's supposed to. It is tight. It gets close. Oh, sorry. It gets close to the water neck, but that should be enough clearance for a hose. And what's actually hitting, preventing me from going any further advanced, is the fast idle solenoid is hitting the water neck here. So hopefully that is enough advance for me. If not, I can remove the fast idle solenoid and advance it more, but I'll have to come up with something else. I already notched out the bracket here and mitered it so it would open up and move that over, but you can see with the way it's lined up currently, sorry it's not really in focus, but I can't really move over too much more and have it work. And now I will move it to the full retard position and watch it go through its motions there. Now it pretty much goes fully retarded. What's keeping it from going any further, this bracket right here is hitting the bottom of the water neck, and I can relieve that a little bit more, but if you can see, I mean, it's pretty much at full retard, so I'm not really concerned about it, but just something to note. And if I run the cables, everything still functions as it should. I don't really get much more slack in the throttle cables, so I don't think my concern about the clearance changing between here and here as the pump is rotated being much of a concern. The other thing one thing I didn't note is when it's advanced, the cruise cable is tight, but it's not holding the throttle open. There's still some play there, so I think it's going to be okay too. Another reason that I hopefully don't have to advance it anymore. If I do, then I'll just have to rework something else. So that's that. I think I have it figured out and can just make a couple quick adjustments. I'm going to clean this up a little bit more. Clean this up a little bit more just to give a little more clearance for the screw on the fast idle solenoid, but other than that I think it's pretty much there. So I will keep working, and next is fuel system mods.